Today we're going to learn a little bit about onion farming, as I visited a friend of mine who is happened to be one of my neighbors who is doing onion farming. I just wanted to take you through what he's doing, just a brief things about the drip irrigation. As you can see, he's doing 4 lines. You can also do 2 lines or 3 lines, whatever is best for you. So these onions are 2 weeks since they were transplanted, and as you can see, they're doing well. My friend has already done some fertilizer, that is a DAP, as you can see, along the onion lines. He has used 15 mm drip lines, whereby he's doing an onion on the hole and in between each holes. So he did some manual weeding. As you can see, the farm is very clean. Okay, so the DAP has been done after 2 weeks of transplanting, and what is happening at the moment, they are still weeding in the upper part. Yep, I'm good at this, but we are just trying to educate on what we are doing, just giving out just a few information here and there of what is happening. As you can see on the far end, they are newly transplanted. You can see everything is doing well. So basically, he's not using herbicide, but he's doing it weeding manually. On this part, it was transplanted like 4 days ago. So after transplanting, he did use manure from cow's manure. As you can see, cow manure is poured in between the beds. So this was done 4 days ago. So it's still under irrigation. Still use some optimizer to relieve stress on them. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks, it will be like the other one. So some of the parts he just he did a few DAPs just to see, for testing purposes, just to see the outcome. The rest of the beds he did manure, as you can see. So the seedlings were ardent before transplanting, just to help adopt to the new environment. Yeah, so this is a line and 1 acre piece of land. You can see the seedlings are popping up well. It's good. This is job well done. You can see concerning the drip line, it's permanent. This is some of the easy things which you can do by yourself. You don't need to call any technician to come and install these drip lines for you. You just need to organize your farm well, organize where the main pipe is passing. Then from the main pipe you do other pipes leading to each paddock, and then from the paddock you do drips from them. You don't need technician to come and install these things. Do it yourself, man. Save some cash. These things are all over YouTube on how to install drip irrigation. It's very easy. Just to remind you guys, for onion farming, it's 15 mm, and 50 mm, and then you do you plant a seedling on each hole, and then also you also plant a seedling in between holes. You can zigzag along the drip line on this side. Something else, you can do 2, 3, 4 drips. As far as standing from each side, you can be able to work on the bed. Don't do more drips more than 5, or this will worsen everything when working on it. So that's it. As I said, I'm not an expert in this. I'm trying to learn onion farming. You can see guys are still weeding, manual weeding on the beds, standing from each side. Yeah, that's it. I thought maybe I could educate you, and you could maybe learn something from this. Once again, it's your farm guy from Benster Farm. Please subscribe, share, comment, advise, educate us. Please, if you're sharing videos on YouTube, please make sure you give more information. Don't just share and without any information, man. Yeah, as you can see, the weeding is going on. Man of weeding. Thank you. Subscribe.